Secretary for Food and Health Dr. Yok Chow said genetic sequencing tests showed the 59-year-old woman was infected with a common strain of avian virus. He said the timing of her illness means she likely contracted it during her trip to the mainland last month. She has been transferred to Princess Margaret Hospital. Before her admission, she had visited private doctors and another public hospital. However, he said her infection was difficult to detect.
As I said, it's very difficult to judge at this moment because at the time when the patient presents to the accident emergency department, her condition does not warrant to be admitted. So whether some sort of test should be done at that stage, I don't think I can comment at this stage. But we'll review the history of the medical care there.
He said the hospital authority is launching immediate precautionary measures.
Since we understand that there is a risk of avian influenza in this region, we demand and also request the hospital authority to increase their vigilance. And whenever there is patient who have a high fever and any symptoms of pneumonia or signs of pneumonia or X-ray evidence of pneumonia, they should do the PCR test as early as possible to rule out any serious avian influenza in those cases. So that would be the practice from now.
The Agriculture, Fishery and Conservation Department inspected the bird garden in Mong Kok this afternoon, reminding shop owners to step up cleaning and keep the environment clean. They also collected samples to test for avian influenza virus.
They will also take the swab. Swab will be consisting of the environmental swab, which means they will take the samples around the cages, under the tray to test. They actually take the fecal sample, so to test whether the bird are actually shedding the H5 virus.
She said they have found nothing abnormal in the garden.